Is the Eucharist just bread and wine, or is it truly the body and blood of Christ? This question has divided Christians for centuries, and the answer goes to the very heart of faith. From the earliest days, the Church Fathers spoke of a mystery far deeper than symbolism. St. Ignatius of Antioch, writing in the 1st century, warned against those who deny that the Eucharist is the flesh of Jesus Christ. For Catholics, this isn't poetry, it's reality. The doctrine of Transubstantiation teaches that during Mass, the bread and wine are transformed in substance into Christ himself. The appearance remains, but the reality is changed. For believers, every Eucharist is nothing less than a miracle, God made present on the altar. Skeptics call it symbolism. They argue it's a ritual, a memorial meal. But history tells another story. Eucharistic miracles have been reported for centuries, from Lanciano, where bread turned to human heart tissue, to Buenos Aires, where lab tests confirmed living blood cells with no scientific explanation. So, is the Eucharist a miracle or a symbol? For Catholics, it's both a mystery and a reality, a sign that points to something far greater and yet at the same time a miracle in itself. The question is not just theological, it's personal. Because if it's true, then the God of the universe isn't distant. He's here, waiting for us in the humblest form imaginable, bread and wine. Here, in this tiny piece of bread, in this drop of wine, Jesus Christ is really, truly present. Not just a spiritual presence, but a physical presence. He is with us, in us, as we receive him in Holy Communion. This is the miracle of miracles. This is the greatest proof we have that Jesus is risen from the dead. For 2 millennia, the Church has proclaimed the real presence of Christ in the Eucharist. And now, you can too. Share this video so that more people know about this amazing truth. Because if it's true that Jesus is really present in the Eucharist, then everything changes. Our relationship with God, our understanding of the sacraments, our hope for the future. Everything changes when we realize that Jesus is not just a historical figure, but a living, breathing reality in our midst. So share this video so that more people can experience the miracle of the Eucharist. Thanks for watching.